Where we think there is a germ of an opportunity though for some of the more sort of core and core plus investors is that in some of the more distressed economies, Spain would be one. If you're the kind of investor who wants to have very high quality office building in most of the major European cities, there is actually an opportunity arising now where you might actually be able to buy one in Madrid today, which you probably couldn't have done for the last 5 years because it was all wrapped up by the Spanish institutions. And you could probably buy one at a pretty interesting price. I mean, you're not going to get it for a song. So, we are seeing one or two things like that where pressure is pushing pricing. We've just done, or we're looking at the moment, for example, at a big logistics deal in Spain. Again, because we haven't in the past, we have a very large pan-European logistics presence and portfolio. And we haven't, over the past 5 years, really been able to get any critical mass in the Spanish market. But today, we're actually seeing not only interesting pricing, but opportunities to buy sizable investments. And so that's really where those more distressed Southern European markets are coming into play.
Like Russell, I mean, I've started to poke around Spain a little bit, so watch out. But again, the dynamics really aren't there yet. I mean, if you have 1 in 4 unemployed, it's sort of between whatever the ages are, I don't remember the exact statistic, but let's say it's 18 to 25-year-olds. That doesn't really bode well since real estate tends to be dominated by GDP growth and GDP developments. I mean, it's just a good proxy. So, unless you're getting a massively compelling yield, and to me, massively compelling would be, unlevered, well above 15 without assuming a lot of capital appreciation. I just don't see it. And I think the point about finding prime office is probably right. I think to opportunistic eyes, it's just not going to look attractive. I think to people that want a long-term presence in a market where the city will always exist, like Madrid, I'm sure it's great. I'm sure I would bet that the yields that Russell's going to find will be sort of 8 or lower. I don't know, but that would be my guess. And that's probably great for a core plus buyer. It's going to hold it for a long time.